Have you heard about this AI that can beat the best human players at these super complex strategy games?
Yeah, I think I saw something about that.
It's not just chess or Go anymore. It's games with hidden information where it needs to figure out what other players are thinking.
Almost like it's reading minds.
It is wild, and if that kind of stuff blows your mind and you want to really get AI, then hit that subscribe button. We go deep on this stuff all the time.
Absolutely, and welcome to another deep dive. Today we're tackling artificial intelligence, what it is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal.
It seems like every day there's some new headline about AI doing something incredible, so getting a handle on the fundamentals is more important than ever.
It's true, AI is moving out of the realm of science fiction and becoming a part of our everyday lives. So we've got some great material to help break it all down.
Think of it like this. We're going to give you the blueprint, the core principles of how AI works without getting lost in the nuts and bolts.
Exactly. So let's start with the most basic question. What exactly is AI?
Right, because it gets thrown around a lot.
In simple terms, AI is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence.
Mimic being the key word there, right?
Yes, that's crucial. We're not talking about building conscious machines with feelings and desires. AI is about machines being able to perform tasks that we typically associate with human intelligence.
Like learning and problem solving.
Exactly. Those are two of the core concepts in AI. The ability to learn from experience and improve performance over time.
So it's not just following a set of pre-programmed instructions. It can actually adapt based on new data.
Precisely. AI systems can analyze data, identify patterns, and use those insights to get better at what they do.
Okay, that makes sense. And what about problem solving? How does that work with AI?
Well, AI can be designed to tackle specific problems by analyzing information, applying logical reasoning, and coming up with solutions.
So it's like a superpowered brain that can crunch through huge amounts of data and find answers that humans might miss.
You could say that. Think about something like mapping out the fastest route from your house to work, taking into account traffic, construction, even the weather. And AI can do that in an instant.
Right. It's like having a personal assistant who knows everything and can figure anything out.
And then there's perception, which is another key aspect of AI. This is the ability to take in information from the world around it through senses, like sight and hearing.
Like how our phones can recognize our faces to unlock, or how we can talk to a smart speaker and it understands what we're saying.
Those are great examples. AI systems can process images, sounds, and text to understand the world around them, much like we do.
So it's not just about crunching numbers, it's also about being able to interpret the world through sensory data.
Exactly. And we're interacting with this kind of AI all the time without even realizing it.
Absolutely. Like when I'm scrolling through videos online and suddenly the algorithm starts suggesting things I'm actually interested in.
Ah, yes, the recommendation systems. That's AI in action. They use machine learning to analyze your past behavior, your likes and dislikes, and then try to predict what else you might enjoy.
It's a little creepy how accurate they can be sometimes.
It can be. But it's a powerful example of how AI is already shaping our online experiences.
And what about something like spam filters in email? Is that AI too?
Yes, definitely. Spam filters use AI techniques to analyze the content and characteristics of emails, looking for patterns that might indicate spam.
So it's constantly learning and getting better at filtering out junk so we don't have to deal with it.
Right. These are just a few examples of how AI is already integrated into our everyday lives, and it's only going to become more prevalent.
Now, I've heard people talk about different types of AI, like narrow AI versus general AI. What's the difference?
So narrow AI, sometimes called weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task. Like the examples we just talked about, recommendation engines, spam filters, facial recognition, they're very good at what they do, but they can't do much else.
So the AI that's recommending me movies can't also help me write a poem?
Not likely. General AI, or strong AI, is a different beast. It would have a much broader range of capabilities closer to human-level intelligence.
Like the kind of AI we see in science fiction movies that can solve any problem and think for itself.
Yes, that's the idea. But general AI is still largely theoretical. We haven't achieved anything close to that level of sophistication yet.
So all the AI we interact with today is basically narrow AI, focused on specific tasks.
That's right. But even narrow AI has the potential to be incredibly transformative.
I can see that. So why is AI such a big deal right now? Why is everyone so excited about it?
Because even in its narrow form, AI has the power to revolutionize so many aspects of our lives. From automating tasks to making new discoveries, AI is already having a huge impact.
So it's not just about robots taking our jobs, it's also about AI augmenting our abilities and helping us do things better and faster.
Exactly. AI can analyze huge data sets, identify patterns that humans would miss, and provide insights that can lead to breakthroughs in medicine, science, and countless other fields.
So it's really about using AI as a tool to enhance our capabilities and push the boundaries of what's possible.
Precisely. And that's why it's so important to understand the fundamentals of AI, because it's going to play an increasingly important role in shaping the future.
All right, so for all of you listening, let's recap the key takeaways from our deep dive into AI. AI is all about machines mimicking human intelligence. It involves abilities like learning, problem solving, and perceiving the world around it. You're already interacting with narrow AI every day, from your phone to your email inbox. And while general AI is still a ways off, narrow AI is already having a huge impact on our lives.
That's a great summary.
And to leave you with something to ponder as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, think about how it might change the way we approach problem solving ourselves. Can we learn from the way AI analyzes data and finds solutions? Could it help us find new and innovative ways to tackle our own challenges?
That's a fascinating question to consider.
It is. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI. We'll be back soon with more explorations into the cutting edge of technology.
See you next time.